Hello mga ka-TESDA, this is In Situ Driving, ayan, and we're located at Oval in Valencia. Isa sa mahirap na pag-park yung parallel, ayan guys. So I have to reverse and then forward, gear 1, steering wheel, full left, then back to the center, drive forward for the nose out parking. Ayan, so kailangan mo ng mag-center yung window or mirror, and then you have to turn full left. Ayan. Then gear 1. Ayan. So side by side mirror, kailangan makita yung dalawang post. Then that's the time na you have to reverse na makapasok sa parking as nose out. Then yan. So I have to put my steering wheel center and then reverse. Ayan. So nag-stop ako because I'm not sure kung matamaan yung post. And yes, natamaan ko nga. Ayan. So I have to adjust. I have to turn right a little bit. Then out. Ayan. Then back to the center. And then reverse. Ayan, para ma-estimate ko yung pagpasok ko sa parking. Ayan. Then now I have to get out of the parking as nose out. And turn right. Ayan. Para makalabas ako. Then put the steering wheel to the center. And then that's the time to reverse for nose in parking. Ayan, while reversing, I forgot how to nose in. Kaya napansin niya ng instructor namin ni Seroski na mali.
Hoy, dili mao.
Sangit ka.
Pull sa left.
Blurred mo na upod para clear. Video ra ka drag blurred.
Blurred po nga drive.
Wala pa.
Nanayo.
Ayan, this is a nose in parking. Ayan. By the way guys, this is a manual. So I'm using clutch, then gear 1. Ayan, then back to center. And then reverse again. Always turn right. So para makagawas ko, I have to steering wheel full right. Para makagawas sa parking.
I-fall sa wala, i-fall.
So mauna siya na ingon si Sir Roach na i-full sa wala. And then para mailhan na back to center imong steering wheel is just 2 times nimo siyang palikon para ma-center. And now I'm doing the parallel parking. Ito yung pinakamahirap guys. Ayan, so I have to full right ang akong steering wheel, and then I have to reverse para makapasok, and then hanapin yung side sa back. And then back to center, and then reverse again, straight. Ayan. So, nagulang lang yung video, guys. But, I did it perfectly aligned in a parallel parking. Ayan. And then, para masulod na siya, you have to turn right full, and then reverse. Ayan, and then put the steering wheel in center position, and then clutch gear 1 forward. Ayan, estimated na siya guys na nakapag-park ng maayos. And then center again. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll see ya. Thanks, Tisda and City Answer Rodsky. Bye.